Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Lion King cake topper in 2D. So it's not like a modeled figure, but it is the picture. And this is Simba. It's relatively simple, so let's get started.
First of all, you need a template. Here's mine. I will leave it linked in the description box below. Then you need a background. So I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut it out with a circle cutter and set it aside somewhere stable. Then I mixed some brown food coloring in the yellow to be the color of Simba's fur. Then I cut around my template to get the general shape. I cut out his paws because they are a different color. I placed the shape of his face onto the background. I rolled out some light yellow fondant and cut out the shape of his paws. I placed the paws onto the background. Then I placed the template back onto the face, and I traced along the lines with a sharp modeling tool to etch the lines into the fondant. This will only leave a slight impression. Then I removed the template and etched the lines deeper into the fondant. Then I cut out Simba's muzzle and cut it out of light yellow. And placed it onto the figure. Then I added a small piece of pink for the nose. I mixed some brown food coloring with some clear alcohol to make a thin edible paint, and I use it to shade Simba's face. Then I painted some pure black food coloring on his eyes and the edge of his ears, as well as his eyebrows. I think he's gorgeous. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more tutorials.